And getting in breaking news from Rajasthan Congress in charge. Ajay Maken is meeting Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot. He was also present in a late night meeting with the Chief Minister. Now, sources say discussions are underway regarding the expansion of the cabinet. So yes, we're getting in more news from Rajasthan, where the political crisis continues to go down. And the Congress in charge of the state, Ajay Maken, we are being told is meeting Ashok Gehlot. Last night also he met with the Chief Minister. And if we were to go by what sources are saying, discussions are underway regarding the expansion of the cabinet. Piyush is joining us on the phone line. Piyush, over to you. What are you picking up? Because 3 ministers have already resigned ahead of the possible cabinet rejig. Discussions are apparently underway between Ajay Maken and the Chief Minister. Piyush, if you can hear me, what are you picking up as far as the meeting between Ajay Maken and Ashok Gehlot is concerned? Are talks on as far as the reshuffle in Rajasthan cabinet is concerned?
Well, yes, remember that it was a long pending demand of a few leaders there in Rajasthan to have a cabinet rejig. We had also seen as to how Sachin Pilot had also rebelled against the government because he wanted his own leaders to be a part of the government. But now what we are learning is that a meeting took place between Ajay Maken and Ashok Gehlot on this cabinet rejig. And what we are now learning is that Health Minister, Education Minister, they are likely to put down their papers, and few more leaders who earlier were supporting Sachin Pilot have been asked to resign. And this reshuffle is basically taking place after the performance of Congress party in by-polls, where once again the leadership of Ashok Gehlot has been acknowledged by the Congress party. We'll have to wait and watch if there are other leaders also who will be asked to resign. But yes, a big reshuffle will take place in Rajasthan today. We'll have to wait and watch how and who are going to be the big faces who will be the part of cabinet. This rejig is taking place after Sachin Pilot also met with Congress President Sonia Gandhi. Remember that a couple of days back he held a meeting there in National Capital, and after meeting he said that it is very important to take all the workers of the Congress party on board, and then only Congress will be able to have its government again in the state of Rajasthan. He also focused about one fact that Congress is the only alternative which can give a big challenge to BJP, and that is why all leaders, all workers will have to be united, and workers who have worked for the party should be given space in the government. This is what Sachin Pilot had said. So today we can see massive rejig taking place in Rajasthan, because yesterday a meeting also took place between Ashok Gehlot, who is also in charge of Rajasthan Congress, with the Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot, and today there could be some sort of big announcements coming in from Rajasthan.
Absolutely. It was Ajay Maken himself who confirmed that 3 ministers have written to Sonia Gandhi expressing their concerns over what's going on in the party and deciding to step down from their post. And now he's meeting the Chief Minister. Piyush tracking those developments on a possible rejig in the Rajasthan cabinet. Piyush, we'll keep coming back to you. Thank you.